Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use school internet. First, connect your device to the official school Wi-Fi network, usually named something like School Wi-Fi. Next, you'll need to enter your unique student or staff credentials to authenticate. It's crucial to understand and adhere to the acceptable use policy, which outlines what you can and cannot do online. This ensures a safe and productive environment for everyone, maintaining network integrity for all users. To make the most of your school internet, prioritize academic tasks over recreational browsing. Avoid streaming high-bandwidth content, like videos, especially during peak hours when many students are online. Downloading large files, such as software updates or project resources, is best done outside of class time to conserve valuable bandwidth for essential learning activities. This helps maintain a smooth experience for everyone. Security is paramount when using any shared network. Always use strong, unique passwords for all your school accounts, combining letters, numbers, and symbols. Be extremely cautious of phishing attempts and suspicious links that could compromise your information. If you notice any unusual network activity or receive strange emails, report it to IT support immediately. Protecting your data helps protect the entire school community. Encountering connectivity issues can be frustrating, but many can be resolved easily. First, try restarting your device. This often clears minor glitches. Next, check the school's IT support page or announcements for any known network outages or maintenance schedules. If the problem persists after these steps, don't hesitate to contact the IT department directly. They are there to help you get back online quickly and efficiently.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.